Do you know what? There are 15,000 to 20,000 butterfly species in this world, and their eyes are filled with many lenses where they can see different directions at the same time. Isn't it amazing? Hi, this is Suganya from creativebirdsedu, and today we are going to see something interesting in a crafty play, and it is 3D butterfly. Come on, let's do it. Let's see the materials required. A craft paper, two small papers. One is of size 2 into 7 centimeter, another of 2 into 6 centimeter. A pen, a pencil, scissors, scale, hot glue, craft wire, and a glue. So let's start doing it. Cut the paper of size 6 into 10 centimeter. Six into 10 centimeter. Let us cut this in the curved shape. So one is 2 into 7 centimeter, another one is 2 into 6 centimeter. So let's mark here. First, mark the center point for both. For 6 centimeter, I'm marking the 3. Yes. And then 1 centimeter from the side. And take the midpoint for this. So it's 3 centimeter. Mark 1.5. And the same is 3 centimeter. Mark 1.5 over here. And draw a line of 2 centimeter. So let me write it for you. Let's draw a curve. And same other side, which touches the line over here. Yes. Fold it in the center. Let's cut the curve. And then don't cut it fully, just a little bit. One little here. Yes, don't cut it fully. One little here. Yes. So next, 2 into 7 centimeter. Place it on the top. You have the mid here. And start marking it using your pencil. The same we have to do it for the 6 centimeter, 2 into 6 centimeter down portion. Yes. To give an impression, use your pencil and darken the lines. Just like this. You can see the impression over here. Do it gently and as well as in the middle also. Yes. So now try making the folds. Try making folds on the impression. Gently. So when you do like this, it would be easy for us to fold. When the impression is not clear, you can darken it one more time. Just like this. Press it on the folds. Press it on the folds like this. to get the shape like this. Okay, so let's keep this aside. Let's make the antenna using the craft wire. Bend it into equal halves like this in U shape, and after that hot glue it on top alone, which looks like this. Yes, and once after you hot glue it, you can just paint it in black. You can use any acrylic colors of your choice. So let's glue it. So before that, first let's glue this butterfly. Apply it in the front as well as in the back. Hold it for a while. Yes. Okay. So now let's fix the antenna. So you can use hot glue to fix this, or otherwise I'm using here the masking tape to fix this. You can use hot glue, masking tape. To fix it like this. So our beautiful, simple and easy 3D butterfly is ready. It's ready to fly. Great. Wasn't that interesting? Now go teach your friends and play with craft. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe my video, and don't forget to comment on the comment box. Bye.